Okay, we have a polynomial s of x equals 3 parenthesis x minus 1/2 squared parenthesis x minus 7 cubed parenthesis x plus 3/4. They ask us to find the list of zeros and their multiplicity. Are the corresponding x-intercepts kisses or crosses? Okay, so let's make a table to answer this question. We'll list the zeros here, the c values, x values that are zeros, and then their multiplicity in this column, and then we'll list the corresponding x-intercept, and we'll tell you whether it is a kiss or a cross. So the first intercept is found in the first factor, x minus 1/2. In x minus 1/2, the value being subtracted is the root, or the zero, so it's c equals positive 1/2. Now, the question, is that zero, is that root a multiplicity 1 or 2 or 3, or what is it? Well, since we have a second power on the factor involving 1/2, you see the second power outside of the parenthesis, that indicates that this is multiplicity 2, a root with multiplicity 2. Okay, and 2 is an even number, right? The x-intercept that corresponds to the c equals 1/2 is the ordered pair 1/2 comma 0. And the multiplicity for this root is, since 2, the multiplicity is even, that means we have a kiss for the intercept. It doesn't cross, it just kisses. Now consider the next root, c equals 7. We get that from the factor x minus 7. The number being subtracted is the root, or the 0. Okay, what is the multiplicity of this root? It's a power outside the factor containing 7. It's a 3. So this is multiplicity 3. So we had even for the first multiplicity. This multiplicity is odd. The ordered pair x-intercept corresponding to the root 7 is the ordered pair 7 comma 0. And since the multiplicity is an odd value, that means this is a crossing. It crosses the x-axis. Our last root is c equals negative 3/4. That comes from the last factor, x minus a negative 3/4. That's why it's a plus in the middle. It's x minus the root, x minus a negative 3/4. The multiplicity on this is the power outside of the parenthesis. It's 1, so this is a multiplicity 1 root. C equals negative 3/4, and 1 is an odd number. The x-intercept corresponding to this is negative 3/4 comma 0, and that intercept is a crossing since the multiplicity is an odd number.